Violent crime survivors are promoting what they see as positive changes in Illinois' controversial Safety Act. Their push comes as Governor J.B. Pritzker and Madison County State's Attorney trade barbs over the impact of this new law. Now, this morning, our political editor, Mark Maxwell, has more on the push to change that law before it goes into effect.
It's a little hard to beat social media. Twitter's undefeated.
Cahokia football coach and Marine veteran Trayvon Jones works with Crime Survivors for Safety and Justice. That group's crowning moment was watching Illinois end cash bail more than a year and a half ago. That's why he was surprised when his own son came to him with concerns about this viral video on Twitter.
Kidnapping, armed robbery, second-degree murder.
Well, it's fear-mongering.
The man in the video, former Orland Park Mayor Jim Pekow, is running for Congress as a Republican in the Chicago suburbs.
Forgive me, but we're just kind of outright, offended. Like we can't see past, a political agenda with a law that's already passed.
The Republicans, of course, have turned it all upside down with a lot of lies.
The sudden frenzy of panic on social media appeared to catch many Illinois Democrats off guard.
Of course, I'm open to tweaks of the Safety Act. If there are things that will make it more clear for people to understand, but, it's important that we make those changes. But
now, Governor Pritzker is pushing back, accusing Madison County State's Attorney Tom Haine of political posturing in this letter. Pritzker said even probationable felonies involving guns, domestic violence, or repeat offenders allow state's attorneys several options for detention. Pritzker quoted Haine's interview with 5 on Your Side, where the prosecutor predicted a historic jailbreak on January 1st. The governor saying if Haine refuses to take steps to detain those people dangerous to the community, that would be a dereliction of duty. Haine fired back in this letter, saying the plain language of the Safety Act appears to stand in our way.
nobody's going to get let out of jail on January 1 just because we have the Safety Act. And there's no such thing as a non-detainable offense. No such thing.
Haine conceded the term non-detainable offense may be controversial, but remains useful and a candid reflection of the real-life implications. Now, advocates like Jones are calling on Pritzker to clarify any confusion in the law without watering down its original goal.
But cash bond, never made anybody safer. What it did was it criminalized poverty.
An Illinois state Democrat filed a new measure to expand the list of tools judges and prosecutors could use to detain a criminal defendant before trial. Now, the change pushes to include repeat offenders, anyone who poses a risk to the public, or who could tamper with witnesses in their case while they're out. Governor Pritzker would not commit to making a change like that before the bill goes into effect January 1st.